Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So today we are going to learn a lot of words and sentences. Ok, bienvenue encore tout le monde. Jodi a nous pral apprendre un pile mot avec un pile phrase. Ok guys, puis ga n'oubliez subject pronouns yo. C'est I qui signifie moi, you qui signifie ou bien ou même. Hia c'est pour garçon qui signifie li. She c'est pour fille qui signifie li. Et c'est pour yon bagay ou bien yon animal. Ok? Qui signifie li ou bien qui ça. Ou bien ça. Ok? Ça c'est partie singulière. Pour partie pluriel là, ou ap jwenn oui qui signifie nous, you qui signifie ou, mais partie ça c'est pour pluriel, les ou ap adressé ou à un groupe moun. They qui signifie yo. Ok guys, on va aller en apprendre. I am happy. I am happy. Moins content. You can do it. You can do it. Ou capable faire li. He loves music. He loves music. Li reme musique. She is a doctor. She is a doctor. Li se yon docteur. It is raining. It is raining. La pluie ap tombe. We are friends. We are friends. Nous ses amis. You all are invited. You all are invited. Nous tout invités. They won the game. They won the game. Yo te genyen jouet la. I feel tired. I feel tired. Mwen sentim fatigué. You should study. You should study. Ou doit étudier. He enjoys cooking. He enjoys cooking. Li reme fait manger. She dances well. She dances well. Li danse bien. It's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day. C'est yon bel jou. We play soccer. We play soccer. Nous jouons football. You need help. You need help. Ou besoin aide. They love animals. They love animals. Yo reme animal. I am learning. I am learning. Mwen ap apren. You look great. You look great. Ou paret belle. He sings beautiful. He sings beautiful. Li chante belle. She runs fast. She runs fast. Li kouri rapide. It's your turn. It's your turn. C'est tout pa ou. We completed the project. We completed the project. Nou termine projet a. You guys are awesome. You guys are awesome. Nou incroyable. They live nearby. They live nearby. Yo habite tout près. I am reading a book. I am reading a book. Mwen ap li yon liv. You have a talent. You have a talent. Ou gen yon talent. He understands quickly. He understands quickly. Li kompren rapide.
She writes poetry. She writes poetry.
Li ekri poésie. It's a secret. It's a secret. C'est yon secret. We found the solution. We found the solution. Nou te jwen solution a. You seem happy. You seem happy. Ou semble content. They are talented. They are talented. Yo gen talent. I am trying my best. I am trying my best.
Mwen ap eseye fe miyede mwen.
You play guitar well. You play guitar well. Ou jwe guitar bien. He is a good listener. He is a good listener. Li se yon bon auditeur. It's getting dark. It's getting dark. Li komanse fe noir. We visited the museum. We visited the museum. Nou te visite musée. You answered correctly. You answered correctly. Ou te repon correctement. I finished my homework. I finished my homework. Mwen fin fè devwam. You made a mistake. You made a mistake. Ou te fè yon erreur. He deserves recognition. He deserves recognition. Li mérite reconnaissance. She achieved the goal. She achieved the goal. Li réalise objectif li. It's your decision. It's your decision. C'est décision. We discovered a new place. We discovered a new place. Nous découvrions nouveau côté. You sang beautiful. You sang beautiful.
Ou te chante belle.
They love to travel. They love to travel. Yo reme voyager. I enjoy reading. I enjoy reading. Mwen reme fè lekti. You need to rest. You need to rest. Ou bezwen repose. He forgot his keys. He forgot his keys. Li bliye kle li yo. She explained it well. She explained it well. Li te explique bien. It's a difficult task. It's a difficult task. Se yon tâche ki difficile. Nan sens sa, se lò gon responsabilité. Par exemple, si yon moun ki direkte yon kote, li gon tâche ki difficile. Emen wap di se fwa sa. Se nan sens sa wap di, it's a difficult task. Ok? Se yon tâche ki difficile. We appreciate your help. We appreciate your help. Nous apprécions aide. You all performed well. You all performed well. Nous tout est bien performé. They played the music. They played the music. Yo te joué musique. I passed the exam. I passed the exam. Mwen passe examen. You attended the meeting. You attended the meeting. Ou te assisté réunion a. He fixed the issue. He fixed the issue. Li te résoudre problème nan. She painted a masterpiece. She painted a masterpiece. Li pentire yon chef d'œuvre. It's a common problem. It's a common problem. C'est un problème commun. We face challenges. We face challenges. Nap fè face ak défi. They completed the puzzle. They completed the puzzle. Yo terminé avec casse-tête la. Puzzle, le nou di casse-tête ou bien ka di, c'est un jeu qui difficile. I love chocolate. I love chocolate. Mwen reme chocolat. You wore a nice outfit. You wore a nice outfit. Ou te mette yon bel rad. She played the piano. She played the piano. Li tap joué piano. It's a funny story. It's a funny story. C'est yon histoire qui amusant. We admire your dedication. We admire your dedication. Nous admire dévouement.